Hey everybody, welcome back to the Iron Oak Sawmill, where we're well underway getting these two white pine logs loaded onto the trailer. This came as a package deal. The one you see being loaded now is about 24-inch diameter on both ends, 12 feet long, and came as a package deal with the butt log, which is 17 feet long, 36 on the big end, about 30 on the small end. It's going to make some nice clear lumber out of that. But we had to take both in order to get them out of here. So luckily the landowner has this 70 horsepower New Holland tractor to help us get loaded. So let's go ahead and join the loading.
Shut! Your hook! Your hook, dear.
You know the block, Dad. Do we have another one up there?
Only? No.
See if that works. It wants to roll. There we go.
You're gonna lose your hook.
What?
Move your hook.
Where's your land thing? Yeah, you're about a foot from it yet. Okay.
Anything blocking the other side?
I think we're good. I don't know if I'm going to hit a ramp, but is that good? You're good there. Can you lift the bucket up any higher or no? Yeah, barely up. Unfortunately, the higher you go with the bucket, we're going to make that,
Okay, this 17-foot white pine log's proven to be a little bit too heavy. It keeps wanting to pull the bucket of the loader down. So what we're going to do is go ahead with the skidding tongs to a front mounting point on the tractor and get this log dragged out of here, get a little bit closer to the trailer, and work it from there.
That's about as far as I'm going here. I can shorten the chain up a little bit, take a couple more feet out of it. Yeah, what? Alright, all right. That won't hook around that frame there, will it? With the tongs? What's that? The tongs just won't go around it? No, they're too big. Trying to take care of the slack. Okay? Because you don't want to get you stuck in there either. About it. Alright. Pop that off.
Okay, we couldn't back up anymore with the tractor because there's a small shed back there right behind the tractor. So what we ended up doing was removing the 2 rear ramps on my trailer and actually holding the front end of the log in the air with the loader and backing the trailer underneath of it. So now you can see we're dragging the rear end of the log around, getting it lined up for the trailer, and getting ready for the push it up onto the deck.
Good? I think so. Now we just gotta get behind and push. How we're gonna do that? Let's move all that out of the way. You come down through the yard, just from out there. I'll squeeze it there. Yeah, man, I'm hooked here. Yeah, that'll slow you down.
All loaded up, strapped down, and ready to go. But we wanted to get some video of this very unique gate as you go to leave. Remote operated from the house, and as you go to leave, you pull up slowly to the gate and it automatically opens for you. It was a tight squeeze coming in. Took a couple of attempts to get all the way in the gate with the trailer. Just one try going out, though. We got it clear the first time. I'd like to thank everybody for joining us here for the latest edition of Sawmill Shorts. Hey, if you haven't done it yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down in the bottom right hand corner. Also hit the like button. Help us to support the channel here. Show Facebook that you want to see more stuff from us, and it'll help us deliver some more content to you guys. These 2 logs made it home safe. That 17-footer, we'll be getting a video of milling that up, so be sure to stop back here for that one. I'd like to thank everybody for stopping out, and we'll see you out here next time.